Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to my channel. This here what I'm cooking here is some steamed fish with green beans and a bit of carrot. And this you have tilapia, a bit of salt, pepper, chili, green beans, onion, garlic, a bit of water, a little bit of ketchup, olive oil, pinch of butter just for balance for the taste, and add water and let it simmer. This will take about 15 minutes. Let's see what it look like on a plate. This is my world-class steamed tilapia fish. Doesn't get better than this. Please remember to like and subscribe. Peace be.